your house! Yay! I am Blaze.
I'm Christopher.
I'm Fran.
We're the Holian family. Welcome to our home. Ang inspiration namin dito sa bahay, this used to be an ancestral house, generation from generation sa family ng husband ko. It has been a long time that this has been an ancestral house, so super old house. So we've been living here for 5 years, I think. Then we have decided to build this house. And this is from Quezon City, by the way. Gusto namin ng simpleng bahay lang, just a small house, pero maganda and simple. That's why
Malamig.
Minimalist lang yung design yung gusto namin. So this is modern Scandinavian design. Generally, nung nakausap namin si Art Jello, sabi namin, gusto namin ng airy house. Maganda yung ventilation. Because hindi namin din gusto mag-maintain ng madaming air condition na sa bahay. So gusto namin mahangin. So initially, nabanggit namin na yung dulo ng house namin, magiging office niya. So, isang mahabang design lang ng bahay. Then, nung lumabas yung design ni Art Jello, we were surprised, actually. And we're very happy nung nakita namin na he made a courtyard for us. So, sobrang na-surprise kami na, oh, posible pala yun na
Kasya pa.
Nakasya. And maganda pala siyang tingnan, tapos maganda siya sa ventilation ng bahay, yung courtyard. Sobra akong na in love ako dun sa design kasi dun pa lang naisip ko na this is gonna be my sanctuary. Kasi mahilig ako sa outdoor small garden, mga park, mahilig ako sa ganun. And my husband, he loves plants. May green thumb siya. Madami kaming tinignan mga contractors. So nakita naman yung portfolio ng minimalist team, yung social media, and yung website nila. Nakita talaga namin na this is it. Ito yung contractor na gusto namin gumawa ng bahay namin. Kasi nandun talaga yung lahat ng gusto namin. Paano sila mag-design ng bahay and all. Fortunately, nung nakita namin yung portfolio ni Architect Jello, he's from a graduate of UST also. We are Tomasians also. So we're really proud na our fellow Tomasians ang gumawa ng bahay namin. Sobra kaming happy nang unti-unti naming nakita yung bahay na nabubuo na siya. Tapos, syempre, along the way, makaka-experience ka talaga or mai-encounter mo yung, parang gusto ko na pala tong wood dito sa baba rather than sa taas. So, minsan nare-realize mo all habang ginagawa yung construction. So, may mga changes kaming ginawa ganun. Pero overall, yun pa rin naman yung plan na create din sa design ng bahay. Sobra kaming happy. So much Minimalist team sa lahat ng tulong ninyo, sa tiyaga, sa patience, and hard work ninyo, sa lahat ng effort from day one. Si Miss Lisa sa pagtulong sa amin sa pagplano ng bahay, very persistent and patient siya sa amin. Same with Art Jello sa lahat ng mga requests namin na grant and na-accommodate. And to all the engineers and other architects also that we have worked with, thank you sa lahat ng hard work. Especially, syempre, si Engineer Kat. Sobrang appreciated ka na.